Hi guys, welcome to Crypto B101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Dogecoin plunges to 0.20 US dollars, that's 20 cents, and XRP crashes hard. Ethereum price stands 25%, while BTC price nosedives nearly 10%. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. If you're just joining me, thanks for joining me on the show. This is where you get to understand the great of information or the useful information, good information, and value for what you need to know about cryptocurrency at large. But if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be part of this great thing that is happening on the show. You can also follow me on X to get all the latest information that is going on in the space. Also follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on TikTok, and also you can follow me on Instagram to get all the nugget that I have to drop for you every day on this great platform. All right, without wasting our time, you know the rules, the culture, and what we do on this show. We are going to dive into the show directly, and what we're going to do is about the news. And you can see on the screen right now, crypto market meltdown in 400 billion sell-off on Trump's trade tariff. We all know what happened from February 1st. The president-elect, the current president, sitting president, Donald J. Trump, has tariff Canada, Mexico, and China 25%, 25%, and 10% respectively on international trade, and that has caused a lot of chaos in the market, and it has now made crypto market meltdown in 400 billion US dollars. Still talking about Trump's tariff announcement lead to sharp decline in US stock exchange futures as well as crypto, and this is significant drop. As a matter of fact, I think this is the highest drop we've seen in one day, wiping out about, I think, 10 billion US dollars in the cryptocurrency market cap. We are still going to check out the cryptocurrency market cap to know what is going on in that space. Also, if you check on my radar, you can see Bitcoin or BTC tumbles 8% to 93K with billions of dollars liquidated as Asians awaken to Trump's trade war. And if you've been trading for long, you know what happened in 2019 where we had a trade war between China and United States, and it was not easy at all. Almost everything was tanking that period. I hope it's not going to be like that, because if you're going to experience that this season, that means the bull run is over. I might as well just say that the bull run this cycle is over. We might see maybe 120, but that means the market will start nosediving, and we might see market getting back to 75K, 40K thereabout before we're not going to see another bear market. Now, another news on the radar, and this is still about BTC. Bitcoin dominance skyrocket as what? Altcoins also bleeds out. So it's not only BTC or stock exchange that have been affected, even altcoins also get affected. And you all know that when BTC falls, others follows, and altcoins also bleeds out. Now let's check another news on the radar, and this one is crypto liquidation explode to over 2.2 billion cryptocurrency. Bitcoin dumped by 10K daily. That is too much. Now another news regarding BTC, and this one is regarding Bitcoin as well. This one is regarding BTC as well. I think the network is slow. Let's take a look at it and see. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that. Subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get the juicy confirmation as I drop it from the market. All right, let's take a look at it and see what is still going on. I think the network is a bit slow. Let's take a look at it. Let's see. I think there is a little bit of network. There's a little bit of network right there. Sorry for the network issue. All right, why I'm trying to get back online. Let's see. I think it's coming back now. Sorry for the interruption, guys. Trump tariffs announcement leads to sharp decline in US stock. We have discussed about that. All right, yeah, let's continue. Chance of Bitcoin tanking to 75K doubles as Trump's tariff ignite trade war. And you know, I just said it that last 2019 a lot of things happened regarding trade war, and now we might experience the same thing, because since that happens, stock has not been doing well, crypto has not been doing well, even altcoins, they've not been doing well. And if all that has started to come into play, we might be experiencing what will be known as the end of the bull cycle. But we're still going to see if we're going to recover from it. If the New York Stock Exchange opens shortly, then we're going to know if we are going to get that done. And you can now see also here, Bitcoin slumps to near 94K as Asia trader ponders over trade war. And we all know, I saw the Canadian Prime Minister talking about how they're going to fight back, and they've been preparing for that. So we don't really know what is going to happen if they are going to ban some product from the United States as well. But he mentioned a lot of things that the United States import to them, and that might escalate if it does do something like that, because I know Trump will want to go harder on them, and that will lead to sharp thing. And I feel like if a lot of things start happening like that, we might see a lot of sell-off, because one thing you need to understand, once a lot of tariff is being imposed on foreign products, and the country cannot actually produce those things enough for the society or for the country to use, they will be forced to buy that expensive stuff, and that's going to cause inflation and all of that. And when there's that inflation, we might see interest rate coming back into being increased, and lead to a lot of people not be able to borrow money. Now there won't be a lot of jobs being created, there won't be a lot of money in circulation. Before you know, there won't be money to invest in crypto. And what would happen? That means crypto is going to nose dive. But we're going to see how these goes by. All right, now enough of BTC. Let's talk about altcoins. And you can see dormant Ethereum whales shift from 400 million US dollars to Phemex before ETH dropped 20%. Let's take a look at another news on the radar. Still talking about ETH. Ethereum volatility explodes to over 100% as price crashes. And still speaking of altcoins, let's now talk about Ripple, and this one is about XRP. XRP Dogecoin plunges. XRP Dogecoin plunged 25% as crypto liquidations cross 2.2 billion on tariff led by Donald Trump. And still speaking of XRP, XRP slumped below $2 as Ripple whales continue to offload. So guys, we need a lot to talk about the chart, so you don't want to go anywhere. We're going to talk about the chart shortly. Solana retail surges driven by pump fund. Ethereum still king of large trade. Now let's get into some of this exchange, and you can see this one is coming from Coinbase. Coinbase secures spot on UK crypto register. That is great news. And Chain plans to tackle $200 million debt crisis by issuing TCY equity token. In case you're interested, you might want to look that up. Now let's now move into countries and see what is going on. We all know Asia crypto stocks tumble as Trump's tariffs stir market fears. And still speaking of countries, United States spot Bitcoin ETF saw net inflows that surpassed $5 billion in January. And now we move to Asia part of the continent, and this is coming from Thailand. Thailand plans new digital token trading platform for security firms. And still speaking from that part of the world, now Russia plans to create mandatory registry for crypto mining equipment. These are all what I have for you on the news this morning. Thanks for joining me. Now let's now dive into the market cap and the event of the day. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please support your boy. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all this juicy content as I drop it immediately. Now let's check what is going on with the economic calendar. And if you look at the economic calendar, nothing is actually happening today. You can see that we only have good news coming around 3 p.m. GMT on UTC time, which is only the ISM manufacturing PMI and the manufacturing prices. And that's the only thing we need to worry about today on the market. Also, we have some semi-important news coming from Euro, which is the core CPI and the CPI flash estimate. Also, the OPEC JMMC meeting will be coming into play. So that's that on the economic calendar. Let's quickly now dive into the market cap. And if you're looking at the market cap now, we are now going down. You remember I've been saying we're going to celebrate $4 trillion. If the bull market is over, that might not happen, but I still believe we're going to hit that, because anything that makes us cross above 120k, we should hit $4 trillion cryptocurrency market cap. Right now, if you look at the screen, 3.2 trillion is now what we are down to, and you can see Bitcoin is trending, of course, because we are now trading at 95,000 US dollars right now, and over 400 billion US dollars was traded in the last 24 hours. Without wasting our time, let's check out what the top 20 cryptocurrency looks like. And if you look at number one, it's still BTC, of course, and it's been down with 3.7% in the last 7 days, while ETH has been down with 15% in the last 7 days, sitting at number 2, Theta at number 3, XRP down back to number 4, Solana is now sitting at number 5, BNB maintaining number 6, USDC, another stable coin, at number 7, Dogecoin number 8, Cardano at number 9, Lido Stake number 10. Tron is now down at number 11 with about 7.3% drop in the last 24 hours. Wrap BTC at number 12, Chainlink at number 13, Wrap ETH at number 14, and you can see Avalanche sitting at number 15, Stellar at number 16, Sui at number 17, Toncoin at 18, Edera at number 19, while Leo has pushed Shiba Inu to 21, while Leo token is now sitting at number 20. So these are the market caps and the cryptocurrency rank on the cryptocurrency list. All right, without wasting our time, let's check what the chart is now looking like. You know, there's no doubt, we know it's red sea. Everything is in red, guys. Everything is in red if you look at the screen, but there's no cause for alarm. We're going to dive into the chart and know what is going on. If you watch my show on Friday, I told you BTC stop loss will be at 103,253, and you can see we hit the stop loss, and since then BTC has been falling. Do we need to buy Bitcoin now as a spot trader or an investor? No, we do not need to do anything now. We need to sit back and enjoy the profit we make off the market. BTC is not a sell. ETH is BTC is now a sell. Excuse me, it's been a sell since on Friday thereabout. Ethereum 2 is a sell, stay away from it. Solana is a sell, stay away from it. XRP is a sell, stay away from them. AVAX, sell. Avalanche, Sui, Solana, ADA, Toncoin, all these altcoins, they are in a sell mode. Please and please make sure you stay away from them. Don't do anything regarding crypto until we see another signal that shows that buyers are back into the market. So please, if you're an investor and you're a spot trader, stay away from BTC, stay away from altcoins. And I think it's going to be the same thing with the meme coins. Let's take a look at the meme coins and see what they're up to. Of course, we're going to start with Dogecoin, and you can see Dogecoin, of course, is not a buy. Stay away from it. Shiba Inu, stay away from it. Pepe, stay away from it. X, stay away from it. Ondo, the same thing. Nero, Notcoin, the same thing. Dogs, the same thing. Nero, the same thing. Deep, the same thing. Only Deep is trying to create a buy for us, but until we see it, stay away from Deep as well. RSR, the same thing. Popcat, the same thing. Rose, the same thing. Trump coin hit the stop loss. I told you, get away from Trump coin if it crossed 24. And you can see, if you listen to me, Trump coin is now trading at $17. So if you watch my show and you stick to the strategy I gave you, you won't lose your money. Now you'll be happy to buy it for cheap. And Millennial Coin, I told you, don't even buy that since it's been launched and it's still a sell. So those are what the charts is looking at today. Please and please stay away from everything if you're a crypto trader and investor. Only if you're a future trader, derivatives, margin trader, option trader, you might want to subscribe to my Telegram channel or my Discord channel, where we can trade using leverage and take advantage of taking short or long in the market, and that one requires a lot of experience. But if you join my Telegram, my Discord, free of charge, you might be getting some signal for free. But if you're a spot trader and an investor, please stay away from the market. As you can see, it's all red. All right, without wasting our time, let's check what the sentiment now looks like. If you remember last week, I told you we might be pushing back to fear, and you can now see we went from greed to fear. Can you see it? I told you last week that we might move down to fear, and you can now see the sentiment now. We went from extreme greed straight down into fear, and we are now sitting at 44% from 72%. So I believe this must still go down. Probably we're going to see extreme fear, or we're going to recover from this fear, but you need to make sure you get in at the right time. So the sentiment right now is sitting at fear. Yesterday was greed, last week was greed, and last month was extreme greed. Remember, these are not financial advice, it's just for education and entertainment purpose. Make sure you do your own research before you invest or put your money on any project, and also make sure you trade with the money that you can afford to lose. As you can all see, crypto or trading can be risky. But with my years of experience in the game, I'll be able to make good analysis and predict the market, and I've been right with more than 90 to 5%. You can check my videos out to get that. So if you're still watching the show, thanks for joining me on the show today. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all this juicy content as I drop it immediately for you. Also, you can follow me on X to get more news as I drop it from the space. Follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram as I drop some nugget for you. This is Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And you've been watching the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. Until I catch you tomorrow on another wonderful packed episode of this beautiful show, it's peace out.